Oh, hello there, Mr. Snake. Are you still alive? Where you at, porcupines? I'm gonna find you. You can't hide from me forever. You okay? Ooh, oh yeah, you're okay. Just checking. Oh, hello there. Someone just had a nice big dinner. Are you just chilling? No, don't run. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Oh, crocky, we got a beauty here. Look at those blue spots and yellow stripes. We're gonna have to get you off the trail though, young mate. There you go. Go on, get out of here, be safe. Let's got this moth. Hello, turtle. Did you lay your eggs in the sand pit? That's scary. I hope you didn't do that. No, it's okay, I'm a friend. Where are you going? Can I help you go anywhere? Just doing your thing? Okay, you do your thing. I love you. You're so cute. Oh, look what we got here. It's a little pencil snake. Who are you, little guy?
I like his head. I think it's cool.
You look like a little shoelace. Oh, and he's gone just like that.
Into the moss. Wow.
Boy, would you look at this? I found me favourite ferns over here. Little pocket of them. A little British. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, that was southern. Hello, little snake. Oh, goodbye. Hello, horses. How you doing today?
That was before.
You're a very good climber. The bloobs are here. How did you all get here so quickly? Oh my god. Kitty, what you got? Oh god, is it still alive? You're freaking cool, but like, what are you doing on a door? And then I go to this door, and there's another one. Twins. Beaver activity. Where are you, beavers? Hello, little guy. Excuse me while I just do my job. New growth. If I were a bird, I'd nibble you up. You're so darn cute. So tiny. How the hell did you get in here? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just perplexed. You're a good puppy. Oh, we missed him. No one would know you're 12 years old, puppy. Can you see how many baby frogs are here? They just came right out of the motherfucking lake. My goodness. You are so tiny. Oh my god. Kitty. No. Kitty, no. Oh, it's dead. Oh, it's dead. It's dead. Just wondered if people lived in here. Hello.
Carrie thinks you're hot. He's filling you up.
Turtles. Where you at, turtles? Shitty bitch, mush shitty bitch. Mush shitty bitch, mush shitty bitch.
I hope a snake pops its little face out at you.
What you got there, kid? Oh, okay. Caw. Bro, like, you got an issue? Just, like, fucking say it, bro. Alright? Guys hanging out. You're pretty. Excuse me, is this spot taken? Oh, thank you. You guys are like really pretty. Did you know that? Okay.
Frog check.
Is that yummy? You're very special and I love you so much.
Somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She dancing like...
Oh, hello, Big Papa. Huge.
He's a big boy. Oh yeah, he's like receding into his...
Uh-huh.
Kind of like urging back
Oh,
into
to
his shell.
retreat?
Yeah, you're like, get in there, bitch. And then you kind of... When they can roll,
Oh!
because you have so much sand, you pick them up.
Ah!
There, guys.
Get it. Go Canton. Go Canton. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Oh. Okay. Oh, wow. Come back here and dance with me. Come back here and dance with me. Sorry, I almost stepped on you. Have a good day.
Baby dear,
Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat you. You sure are cute though. Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red light. Good morning, good morning. It's munching time. Oh yeah. What the fork? Oh, can you just hold this for a sec? Thanks. Is this thing on? Sorry to disturb your slumber. Beaver activity. I feel like I'm at the ocean. Ready? Oh yes. Hello, hello. Hello. I'm sorry, can I help you? There's an intruder!
Dude, he looks swole.
Oh, that was so... Whoa! Oh! What the fuck?
Carol, you made friends.
What are you?
Oh my god, there's so much. It's so meaty.
I can't read this ancient text. Sorry I almost stepped on you. I apologize, and I hope you have a good day. Now! We're live streaming! Live from the stream. Roxanne! Roxanne! Camper brings all the bees to the yard, and they're like, this isn't a flower. What up, though? Oh. Oh. Hi, spider. You wanna be friends? You say that a loon? Are you looning with me right now? Hey there, bud. How you doing? Okay, bye. Rocky, ladies and gentlemen, what a lovely example of the swinging coitus dance of the slug. Where is your mate? This website is under construction. Did it call for rain today? Excuse me, sir. Can you please get off the trail? Oh. Where are you at, turkey? I just saw you. Why'd the turkey cross the road? I don't know. That is a snake right there.
I don't.
Okay, right? Oh. I see you. Where are you? There you are. I see you. Are you beehiving?
Go home.